In this video, I will go over everything you need to know about Harmony Algo. You will learn Harmonia AI and all the other features that distinguish Harmony Algo from other indicators at the end of this video. So let's move on. Harmony Algo is an indicator that is not available to everyone and is only accessible to members. Don't worry, I'll show you how you can become a member. Go to harmonyalgo.com and get started. In this video, you will see how helpful Harmony Algo is, but instead of taking our word for it, try it for yourself. The first 30 days, you can access it for only $1. If you don't like it, you can cancel instantly by logging in from the login above, and you'll have access to the indicator from your TradingView account in less than 1 minute from the moment you start your subscription. To add the indicator to your chart, open the Indicators tab and go to Invite Only. Here you will see Harmony Algo. I will touch on all the features of the indicator, but let's start from the most basic. We have 3 different signals. The weakest one is the arrow-shaped signal. The stronger ones are the ones that say buy and sell, and the strongest signals are the ones that say strong. But this does not mean that the strongest signal will perform the best and the weakest signal will perform the worst. When it comes to the signal settings, you can see that the Copilot feature is turned on. This means that Copilot adjusts the sensitivity and signal tuner settings itself. I like to use Copilot in long-term mode, but you can choose other modes according to your trading style. The fine-tuning score you see above right tells you how good the current working setting is. Now I turn off Copilot, 1 second, there it is. And as you can see, the fine-tuning score has dropped. It tells me to increase the signal tuner and sensitivity settings so that I can have better signals. Let's try it now. That's better now. Harmony Algo's standout features include overlays. Especially psycho swings is a feature that works very efficiently. As you have seen, there are green and red dots in traffic. These are psychological swings. The psycho swings algorithm predicts whether the price will rise or fall psychologically. Now let's move to the other option. I turn off psycho swings and turn on active support and resistance. This feature shows the possible bounce points of the price. As you can see, the price came to this zone and bounced back up. The same thing happened here, and here the price came and changed direction after touching the active support and resistance zone. This is the most powerful feature that sets Harmony Algo apart from all other indicators. We take trades using all these features together. But have you ever thought of an artificial intelligence assistant that can interpret signals using all these features for you? Here it is. Harmonia AI interprets the signals and analyzes the chart when the signal comes in. To observe this live, I rewind the chart back to this signal. At this point, I don't want to interrupt the video because there are advanced algorithms running in the background, and I don't want to interrupt the video, so you can see everything live. Here's the chart loaded, and below is Harmonia AI's interpretation of the signal. I want you to know that it does these interpretations on every new signal, so it interprets every recent signal in this way and can make your analysis very easy. That's all you need to know about Harmony Algo. If you want more information, you can check the other videos on the channel, but I want to remind you this. The first month is only $1. That's right, $1 for you to try it risk-free. Try it for yourself and see how good it is. If you don't like it, you can cancel immediately. Goodbye.